Hi, I live in my motorhome. I used to wake up broken because I slept on a closed plank with a loose plastic mat for moisture management, then a mattress and a topper for the soft feeling. I'm 71 years old and this was not good for my old body. I wanted a real bed base, one that is flexible and ventilating while still guaranteeing complete sealing to the storage space. And I also wanted more support in my waist and more flex in my shoulders and hips. I searched here and there and I found Froli Star Mobile Bed System. I ordered it from Obelink in Winterswijk in the Netherlands because they are cheaper, always offer free delivery and they are very fast, I know from experience. By the way, this video is not sponsored because they don't do that with 60 followers. Okay, the box arrived and after some messing around, my sister and I came up with the following. You lay a basic skeleton. You can click these things together in 3 ways. The first position is the closest to each other. Then you have 30 centimeters per 4 pieces and the manual says that this is the position for people who are heavier than 90 kilos. The second position is the furthest apart. It's the lightest, most flexible position, and that's what I use because I'm 54 kilos. Now they are 34 centimeters per 4 pieces. And then, of course, there is the middle position for the weight in between, and this is 32 centimeters per 4 pieces. Now, you can calculate how much you need to order. It depends on your weight and the size of your bed. You customize everything. Good. Because my bed is clamped by 3 walls, I thought it was important that the cups fit neatly on the wall to guarantee maximum ventilation. I cut off the outside of the skeleton pieces and cheated as much as needed with the outside, so it all fitted perfectly. Then the cups, they come in 3 stiffnesses. The first, light blue, is the most flexible, the least stiff, the softest. Then you have the dark blue. It's a little less flexible, a little stiffer. And if you want really stiff, you can mount a red ring in the dark blue cups. So these are the least flexible. I put the stiffest ones where my waist is, because that should be supported most. My waist is about 1 row wide. Then my ribcage a row of dark blue, and where my shoulders and hips lie, I have placed a row of light blue for nice and soft flexibility. And the rest I filled in with blue. That's it. The bed bases are manufactured in 4 types, mainly differing in height. I have taken 4 centimeters, that is the Froli Star Mobile System. But if you are very heavy, it is better to use the 6 centimeter height, called Froli Zona Mobile System. And when every centimeter counts, for example in the cabin of a boat, there is Froli Travel, which is only 3 centimeters high. Froli also makes Froli Score Mobile System with a height of 6 centimeters and even more settings in terms of hard and soft. Now, you have to choose, and that is perhaps the hardest part, because after that, tailoring everything exactly is a piece of cake. And now, how do I like it? I'm still not sleeping very well, but that's probably because we're in the middle of a serious heat wave here in Holland at the moment. However, I wake up much healthier. Now when I get out of bed, I stand straight. I don't have to unfold a broken body with a lot of squeaking, but instead I step out of bed and I walk straight away to the coffee machine. So how do I like it? It's awesome! And that's the reason why I made this tutorial. Maybe there are other motorhome owners who can benefit from this. I'll see you on the road.